Affiliate marketing has now entered the mainstream. People are increasingly choosing to supplement their income by promoting things on the internet. While there are various affiliate marketing approaches and best practices, many consumers initially want to know how they can sell ClickBank products without having a website. The primary purpose of non-website promotion is to drive traffic to a referral link. This can be accomplished in three ways: media purchase, influencer marketing, and content marketing. Each type has its own set of expenses, scaling challenges, and learning curves. Continue watching to find out which is the greatest approach for you to start promoting ClickBank offerings without having a website. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. The first step is to create a free affiliate account and select a niche. This is a simple procedure, and as long as you are in one of the permitted or trustworthy nations, you should be able to create as many accounts as you wish. I'm not going to show you this since it's pretty simple. If you are unable to open an account with ClickBank, you can sign up for a variety of different affiliate networks. Here is a list of several additional networks to try: Market Health, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore24, MaxWeb, ShareSale, Individual Standalone, and affiliate programs are all available. Individual standalone affiliate programs are the greatest networks to join, in my opinion. Simply go to Google and enter your niche plus affiliate programs, and they should appear. These frequently enable people from all over the world, and you even receive a specific affiliate manager who can assist you. Unless you become a large affiliate, you are on your own with thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of other affiliates on ClickBank. After you have established an affiliate account with ClickBank or another affiliate network, you can think about selecting your best and most passionate specialty. If you don't have a passionate specialization, you might choose a niche that interests you or that you want to learn more about. When it comes to ClickBank products, I would avoid marketing high-gravity offerings and offers in the following niches: making money online and weight reduction. Why? These offers violate numerous rules and restrictions on the majority of the traffic sources we will address later. Another reason is that these deals are primarily offered by significant names in the affiliate marketing industry. I am looking for guys who have at least 5 years of experience producing money online. You cannot keep up as a newcomer because you will be crushed by the competition. These guys and gals have enormous funds to run ads on the traffic sources I'll show you later. But wait, I will show you how to play the game intelligently so you can become a huge dog in the affiliate marketing yard. After you have determined your specialization, we will put up a few things to assure our long-term success in this game. Here is a list of the items and tools we will require for long-term success. It is critical to pay great attention here since this is serious business. A landing page, an email autoresponder, a service provider, a free gift or lead magnet, your own digital product is optional, and attraction tools are content. The first step in this process is to design a landing page with an opt-in form. You may simply accomplish this with the help of some of the best tools. You can go to the second stage of this phase after you have developed your individual landing pages and added your lead magnets or free gifts, which can be a cheat sheet of one page prepared in Google Docs. When your leads are opt-in, you have the option of selling a copy of your own digital product. This may be an ebook containing useful knowledge in your field. On the thank you page, you may also sell your prized course. This is optional, however, it is strongly advised if you want to achieve long-term success in your area. Never send emails to your subscribers using email swipes provided by suppliers. This is particularly risky in the long run because the majority of your subscribers are not simply on your email list. That is, you are also sending a copy of an email sent by another affiliate. You should not be sluggish. Create a genuine email. It doesn't matter if it takes you hours to write a fantastic email, it will all be worth it. When you differentiate yourself from other affiliates, the other people on your list will be ready to hear from you and will favor your angle since it is unique, which is what establishes a relationship. When you get this right, email marketing will become much easier every step of the way. If you can't afford a website, you can set up a free blog on Blogger and make it look as professional as possible. If you build a Blogger blog, you can simply purchase a domain name from Namecheap for $3 to $10 per year and connect it to the Blogger. A website is essential since it does all of your selling for you. Send them to an article on your site with your affiliate links every time you email your list and let it do all the selling for you. Most people will appreciate you since you provide important content on your website, but in reality, you are selling or promoting indirectly. You are right, it is clever. The final step is traffic. This is the most difficult piece of the affiliate marketing equation. If you can handle traffic, you can generate money online even if your promotions are small or lax. When it comes to traffic, you have two options: free traffic or sponsored traffic. The best type of traffic is free traffic because it converts better if you have the correct targeted consumer or demographic. The main disadvantage is that it takes months to see any benefits. SEO is a slow process, but it is the best and most rewarding traffic source you can imagine. Google is becoming smarter by the second, thus you can no longer use black hat SEO tactics to gain their traffic. This gets us to the very first source of traffic. SEO takes time, however, with Blogger, Google prioritizes their own goods, giving us affiliates an advantage to earn some juicy fees. The best aspects about SEO with Blogger is that you don't even need a website, and the best part is that there are many websites hosted by Blogger that are gaining traffic and producing money. All you have to do is follow a few basic steps. Make a blog on Blogger, install a new theme from a site like Guya Templates, choose a mobile responsive theme that is sleek and speedy, customize the theme by including your logos and fave icons in the layout and settings. Use free keyword tools like Answer the Public, Google Autocomplete, and even their keyword planner to conduct keyword research on topics your target audience is searching for. If you are in a niche where new goods are released on a daily basis, you will be able to post reviews on new products as they are released, allowing you to rank higher and faster. If your term contains a lot of user-generated material on the first page, such as Quora, forums, or Reddit, your Blogger blog can outrank all of these sites. Another approach to telling if a keyword is valuable is to look at the search results. If there are no articles with the keyword in the title, then go for it. To make money with ClickBank offerings, all you need is 500 to 1,000 targeted visitors per day. And this strategy will even treble the number of visitors you receive. You don't have to be an SEO expert to write content, and you don't even need any kind of backlinks. You are just fine. Your backlinks will automatically accumulate. Write articles about the themes you discovered using the keyword tool stated above on a regular basis for 6 months, while including your affiliate links, and you will begin to rank naturally and make those sales. As I said at the beginning of this video, you can advertise yourself by purchasing digital media. The technique of purchasing placement for adverts on websites, search engines, and mobile apps is known as digital media buying. It is the highest kind of promotion in the absence of website. It is also the most costly. There are various methods for purchasing digital material. Buying Facebook advertisements and Google AdWords are two popular methods for affiliate marketers. You may also buy native advertisements and learn about keyword buying with Google AdWords. However, many of the most popular ad buying channels have become pricey and competitive. One of the easiest ways to get started with digital media buying is through new ad channels such as Spotify and Reddit. The cost per mile or CPM is cheap, and figuring out how to get started requires less time and resources. While newer types of digital media purchasing may be less competitive, you will still need to invest money to get started. If you want access to thorough guides on digital media purchasing, you may wish to spend some money on learning resources. The scalability of digital media purchasing is limitless. Once you uncover offers that convert and gain confidence in your ad design abilities, you may advance quickly as an affiliate marketer. Learning to test advertising and build conversion-oriented ads can help you succeed. Another approach to accomplish affiliate marketing without a website is through influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a sort of marketing that focuses on using prominent leaders to convey your brand's message to a bigger market. According to the Ultimate Influencer Marketing Guide, rather than directly marketing to a huge group of consumers, you inspire, hire, or pay influencers to spread the word for you. For affiliate marketers, this is promoting a product to your target audience via a referral link. Obviously, the limiting constraint for influencer marketing is, well, the size of your audience. You must have people to push items to in order to be a great influencer marketer. Influencer marketing, like digital ad buying, requires a small investment. You will almost certainly need to buy things for demos, and you will probably need to cultivate a following through giveaways and other benefits. Unfortunately, the size of your audience will always limit your growth as an affiliate marketer. However, with so many social networks available, expanding and broadening your audience is possible, though it will take time and effort. So, that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.